What is up, guys? Check this out. Got a Upper Deck Gallery San Diego Comic-Con 50th year exclusive. 17 cards in this bad boy. Ages 14 and up. We're going to get right into it. I really want one card in here, guys, but I had to show. Oh, let's go. Okay. Right. Number 1, Upper Deck Gallery, Daredevil, Man Without Fear. Number 2, Cosmic Warrior, Captain Marvel. That's sick. That is pretty sick. David Mack. Oh, I love the artist. I love how they got the artist. Bam! This is why I got this. Venom, Insatiable Hunger, my man. I really want to get the artist print for this. Juan Burgos, legend, guys. He did some really great work on 2017 Fleer Ultra Spider-Man. Really sick. Let's see what else is in here. Ant-Man and Wasp, Microscopic Odyssey. Damn, this is really cool. Really cool. Deadpool. Whoa. Brain Spray. This is fucking dope. David Nakayama. Wow. This gets me emotion. Really cool. And Squirrel Girl. Unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Nice. This is sick. Alright. Black Panther up next. King Wakanda. Very dope. Mighty Thor versus Hulk. That's sick. Guys, my cat Raisin agrees right now. If you can hear her. She is agreeing. Ghost Rider. Fucking sick. Brimstone Biker. Damn. That's cool. Who did this one? John Alexander. Very nice. Alright. Doctor Strange. Really cool art. Liam Brazier. Like a puzzle. This is dope. It's like a hand. That is really cool. And Spider-Man versus Sinister City. That is really cool. Spidey. Chris Thornley. Very cool. Legion. Sick. Oh, Wolverine. Repeating. Damn, this is fucking sick. Sorry for my language. Issue 1. Frank Miller. Wow, Frank Miller did this. Damn. Okay, hold on. Black Widow. Oh, bro. Japanese woodblock. Black. What? Gorgeous car, man. What? Marcelo Baez. God damn. Oh my goodness. This is fire. You guys, I only wanted one card, but I'm keeping them. I think it might be... Oh, Red Skull. Captain, Avengers Pixels. You got the Avengers. Arthur Doyle. That's sick. And Punisher up next. Oh my god, is that a Wolverine? Speak softly. Enough said. I gotta get to this Wolverine, guys. The Japanese style Wolverine. Silver Samurai up there. Wow, this is special. This is a special set. Unbelievable. Marcelo, you've done it again. You've done it again. Wow. Oh, I got a free E-Pack. Yes. Quick run through, guys. Real quick. Not bad. Quick run through. Very cool. San Diego Comic Con pack right there, guys. Congrats to myself.